Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, low tire pressure warning. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.